Hello, in this class, we'll talk about some and any. These are quantifiers as they tell us about the quantity of the objects. They are used before nouns. Nouns can be countable or uncountable. Countable nouns are those which can be counted, like 2 pens, 3 glasses, etc. Uncountable nouns are those nouns which cannot be counted, like rice, oil, milk. We'll discuss general rules according to grammar, where to use some and any. Stick to this lesson till the end, as there are exceptions too. Also, there is a practice exercise in the end. Let's begin. Some and any. When we talk about plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns without giving a specific quantity which is irrelevant, we use some and any. For example, I have got some oranges. There is some milk in the kettle. In these sentences, some is used with plural countable noun oranges and an uncountable noun milk. Some other examples. Have you got any candles? She hasn't any food. In these examples, any is used with plural countable noun candles and an uncountable noun food. Now, we'll look at some and any separately in detail. Some. It is generally used in positive or affirmative sentences. Examples. She has some books in her bag. He has some pens in his box. These are positive sentences with books and pens as plural countable nouns. Other examples are, there is some water in the jug. She needs some time to think over his offer. In these affirmative sentences, some is used with uncountable nouns, water and time. There is an exception for the use of some. Some can also be used in questions or interrogative sentences. These questions can be to make offer to someone or to ask for something when we are expecting the answer to be yes. Examples are, would you like to have some ice cream? This is an offer. Can I have some more French fries, please? Here, I am expecting the answer to be yes. So, some is used. Look at the use of any. Any is generally used in negative and interrogative sentences. First, examples of negative sentences. She hasn't received any emails. He doesn't have any sisters. In these negative sentences, any is used with plural countable nouns, emails and sisters. Look at the examples with uncountable nouns. They don't need any rice. There is not any oil in the bottle. Rice and oil are uncountable nouns. Examples of questions or interrogative sentences. Have you got any chocolates? Do you have any magazines? In these questions, we have used any with plural countable nouns, chocolates and magazines. Other examples are, did you get any food for the dog? Do you need any sugar? Here, food and sugar are uncountable nouns. An exception is there for the use of any. Any can be used in positive sentences with singular countable nouns when it doesn't matter which one. Example, He can take any cab to go to the airport. Here, it doesn't matter which cab. It can be any cab. Second example, you can consult any grammar book for this. Here again, it doesn't matter which grammar book. In these examples, we have used singular countable nouns, cab and grammar book with any. Note that you can't use any with singular countable nouns in the context given in the example. Have you got any pencils? Here pencils is plural countable noun and this sentence is correct. If you write, have you got any pencil? This will be wrong because you can't write any with singular countable noun in this context. If you have to use word pencil here, then it will be, have you got a pencil? To conclude, some and any are used with plural countable nouns and uncountable nouns. Some is generally used with positive or affirmative sentences. An exception is there. Some can be used to make offers and to ask for something, expecting the answer to be yes. Any is generally used with negative and interrogative sentences. Exception is any can be used in positive sentences with singular countable nouns when it doesn't matter which one. Practice exercise. You have to fill in the blanks with some or any. First, would you like dash juice? Here, the answer is expected to be yes, so we'll put some. Would you like some juice? Number 4, get dash cap from that shop. It doesn't matter which cap, so we'll put any here. Get any cap from that shop. Number 8, there are dash biscuits, but there isn't dash milk. There are dash biscuits is a positive sentence. We'll put some here. And there isn't dash milk is a negative sentence. So we'll put any here. The sentence is, there are some biscuits, but there isn't any milk. Complete the remaining sentences and then match your answers with the answers given here. Let me know in the comment section how many of these sentences have you done correct. Now, you must be able to use some and any without any mistake and with full confidence. I'll see you soon with a new lesson. Subscribe and press the bell icon if you haven't done yet. Bye.